Revolut is one of those tools that I found really bridges the gap between traditional banking and the flexibility we expect from modern financial apps. It's got a clean, easy to use interface and offers three main tiers: standard, premium, and metal, each one tailored to different lifestyles and needs. The standard plan is free, and for a lot of people, it might actually be more than enough. You get access to over 55,000 no fee ATMs around the world, unlimited virtual cards for safer online shopping, and even a solid 2.75% APY on your savings. That's actually pretty competitive, especially for a free account. You also get the ability to create up to 5 under 18 accounts, which is amazing if you're a parent trying to teach your kids how to manage money responsibly. Now, if you travel often or just want a little more from your financial tools, the premium plan at $9.99 a month might be worth considering. It bumps your APY to 3.5%, increases your no-fee currency exchange to $10,000 a month, and gives you priority customer support, which honestly comes in handy if something goes wrong while you're abroad. It also includes faster card delivery and some discounted international transfers. But here's the thing. While premium adds convenience, it doesn't include the more robust protections you might expect at that price, like purchase or ticket protection. So if you're paying that monthly fee, it's really for the smoother experience and better financial flexibility rather than added safety or insurance benefits. Now, the metal plan, that's where Revolut gets serious. It costs $16.99 a month. And yes, you get the fancy stainless steel card, but more importantly, you finally get those top tier features like purchase protection, ticket refunds up to $1,000 per year, return protection up to 90 days after purchase, and full travel insurance. If you're someone who shops a lot, travels frequently, or just likes having peace of mind when it comes to your purchases, the metal plan does feel like a solid value. You also get unlimited currency exchange with no extra fees, which is huge if you do a lot of cross-border spending. And on top of that, they throw in 5 partner subscriptions and airport lounge access discounts, which is a nice bonus if you're a frequent flyer. That said, no plan is perfect. The biggest downside across all tiers is that many of the perks people look for, like trip delay coverage or baggage protection, are only in the most expensive plan. So if you're on the free or premium tier, you might be missing out on those travel safety nets unless you're willing to upgrade. Also, while the app itself is solid, sometimes international transfers can be a bit slower than you'd expect, especially outside of major currencies or bank networks. All in all, Revolut is a strong choice if you're looking for a modern financial tool that travels as well as you do. Whether you're using it to save money, manage spending abroad, or teach your kids how to handle their finances, it gives you a ton of flexibility. Just be sure to pick the plan that matches your actual needs, because while the metal tier is packed with value, you don't want to be paying for features you're not using.